This is a vintage Commodore stereomatic futuristic sound solid state sports 4 speakers AM FM radio here. Commodore, or oh, come on camera, don't do this. Commodore. I wonder if that's how you pronounce it. Sorry that I can't pronounce it, but yeah, this is what the radio looks like. Here are the controls. Here are the speakers here. And not only are the speakers up on front, they're on the sides as well. That's why it says 4 speakers. Like, here's the first speaker right here. And there's the second speaker right here. It says that, sorry. This thing's a little rough, but it's still a nice looking radio. Try to look at the bottom here without dropping it. Alright. Bottom is especially rough, as you can see. Yeah, this thing is pretty huge and heavy. When I bought this radio, I did not expect this thing to be this big, honestly. It looked small in the pictures, but you never knew if the item would be big or not. And this thing is huge. Try to look at the back of this thing. Oh, try and hang on carefully on this. Alright, this is what the back looks like. This thing has no model number on it, so I have no idea what model number this is. Because like I said, there's no model number on it. I don't understand why. So here's the radio. On these speakers have this metal kind of thing. And even this one too. You know, from the looks of this thing, I would say this thing was made sometime in the mid or late 60s. Just by the look on this thing. Or you never know, it could be made in the early 70s. Like I said, I don't know. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and turn on the radio. Oh, and just so you guys know, it has a really loud static noise when I turn it on, so be aware of that. You might want to turn down your headphones for this, turn down your volume. So me, I'm gonna have to suffer the consequences for this one, so alright, here we go. Whoa. Yeah, see what I mean? Alright, now we're gonna tune. Now for AM, I'm gonna have to turn this thing really down. Because, okay, never mind. Okay. Yeah, obviously the speakers in this thing are all messed up because it has the problem where the speakers would get too loud. It would have the loud static noise. And I can't hear anything. So the model number for this thing is unknown. We turn it down a bit so it change it back to FM. Alright, so as you guys can see, the radio does work. Like I said, it has the static noise problem, a loud one too. You know, I would test out the phono for you guys, but apparently that thing does not work, so can't test that for you guys. So alright, anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this review on this. Like again, if I pronounce this correctly, Commodore Stereomatic Futuristic Sound Solid State 4 speakers AM FM table radio. So anyways, all I gotta say for now is that's it, and thanks for watching.